Welcome back everybody into another backtesting session. We left yesterday with this huge bullish move on gold where we got part of this 270 pips. We got a few trades and it was basically the session close. We adapted. We were using a bigger stop loss and a bigger TP in order to be, as I just said, adapted to the market conditions. We could not use a 10 pip stop loss with this volatility. It was better to just adapt and even accept that we could use a bigger stop loss. Of course, the risk is the same in percentage, and adapt it to a bigger TP as well. Now we're going to move forward and go to the following day. If you remember, this was the week where we are going to have the JOLTS job opening the following day. So we are going to jump into tomorrow's New York London session. We're not going to jump directly into the New York. We're going to have a look at what happens during the London session as well, as you can see. So now let's have a look at it, and let's see on the hourly chart where we are. So we left this strong reaction and rejection point. Wow, you can see how this hourly close very with a strong correction. I mean, it's a 230 pips correction from the 2070, but the following one actually retested it and then got another strong rejection. Just to tell you about the strong volatility that was into the chart. Of course, now we're talking about a time period, early March 2022, where the war in Ukraine was very fresh, and each comment, each news headline was really bringing a lot of volatility. So we can see how that's pretty clear how this area got a rejection, but this was the hourly that we traded and we got a 240 pips, 250 pips move. This usually the same size on a regular London session. This is like 50-60 pips. Now it's 250, and yeah, we got sort of a weak fill. We attempted to do another high, but with this failure to do so, wow, you have 1 minute candle that are 50 pip, 70 pip, 60 pip each candle. That's crazy. So now you can see that these look very small, but this is a sort of regular candles. Yeah, a 20-30 pip candle move in a single candle. It's not even the normal regular one. It's still a lot of volatility, a lot of volume. So that's where we have to be either careful, both careful and also fearless, because that's where we have to take advantage of these nice movements. You can see that on the hourly we left these sort of imprinting. We see this break and retest. It's around 400 pip retest from these lows, from this hourly, and we're going to drag this further up. This one can be deleted. This one can still give us some nice price point. This one over there. There you go. So now let's have a look. We said that today in around 8 hours we have the JOLTS jobs opening, which usually happen at the 10 a.m. candle after a couple of hours of the actual New York session open. We have this high. That probably we're going to already see it on the lower time frame. Let's just have a look how this pre-New York, pre-London session opens up, and let's see if we're going to see straight up some volume or not. So let's just start looking at it. The first bounce at these lows. Remember what we were talking about yesterday, which is this area. This one on the 1 minute is most likely a bearish candle and a bullish one. So when the price is going to break below over here, we're not going to look for the retest of that candle body close, but we're looking for the lower wick, because this is an actual candle body on an hour time frame. But this is just to recap what we talked about yesterday. Let's see how the price will continue moving. So yeah, this one is over there. So we are now retesting this area and we're breaking below. Now we have two choices. Of course, we are at the start of the pre-London, but we are seeing nice volume and nice push down. We can either wait for the price to break below this lower wick over here, or we just take a disadvantage and we take our entry with this expectation. I will start with that and placing a sell limit. Let's see how far away, it's 12 pips. A little bit more. Okay, over there. And let's see, I want to see the retest over there. It might be that it gets the price melts through after this rejection, and that's okay. It's not an issue. Okay. Also, I want to have this. I hope that it gets even triggered. Okay. Okay, we got activated, and let's place it at 20 pips as always. Now I don't like that it's getting activated after seeing this strong rejection. So now, of course, it's not my job to see. I can't do anything, so I will just wait and see if the price is going to break below or is going to reject after making a double bottom at these lows. Okay, so far so good. As you can see, we got our 20 pip, and it's very I don't like these rejections, so we also, if we see this further rejection as scalping wise, I might even take around 25 pips. And of course, I don't know if price is going to reject and come back, but yeah, that might be a good scalp due to the fact that we are waiting for some news in the afternoon. We are in pre-London time. Getting like a 25, 26 pips is still good enough. And I might leave 5 pips on the table, but yeah, I also can get a 0 pips. So that's why I want to adapt into taking also some taking out the trade with less than optimal profits. But you can see now what we can see. We saw the next candle, but we can see that the price can push back. Maybe if it's just a pullback to these previous lows, maybe it's a fake out and back into the range. But with these profits that we just had, I might take a shot at this, because even to just retest these lows, it's about 25 pips. So if I want to, I can just invest some part of the profits. And okay, let's see. And see if we are lucky. We can say that word. Okay, 20 pips. We want it to be at break even. Okay, nice bullish move. I like the momentum. And yeah, we are about 20 pip, 15, 17. Okay, we are at break even. So now that's the same thing. Since we know that we have this rejection area, I could even take it out when I see the same thing, that the price is pushing up at around 25 pips. You see, that's why I wanted to take it out at around 25 pips, because that's exactly what we are expecting. We are expecting this reaction, and we're not wasting too much. We don't want to risk it, just taking it, and that's it. Because now you see that the price will push down. Well, you can see also that this trade idea, knowing that if I was scalping just every single thing, taking this sell, taking this buy, and then we analyze that the price could, if you just go back over here, not this one, but yeah, I showed you that price could simply go back and then push down. That's exactly what it's doing. So we could even take advantage of it, but as I take these two profits, there is no need to force it. And let's see if we're going to see a continuation down and a possible break and retest below these lows. Okay, Nice. So we have this lower wick. That's where I will place my sell limit, which is 13, around 13, 14 pips over there. That's if I want it to be exactly. Let's see. Okay, got activated. We also risked already our stop loss. Wow, nice. 1 single minute, and we are into profits. Trade idea, execution, and that's it. I mean, already three trades during the 30 minutes of the pre-London session. There's no need to to do anything else. And we might also see possible continuation down with this retest if we want to take further advantage of it. Sell limit, let's see. Maybe since it's okay, since it's the third trade, we don't want to risk too much. You can just place it like that with 1%. It looks like it's going to push up. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we are seeing that we actually got a little bit unlucky over there. As I was saying, we are using a 1.5 pips stop spread fixed. Sometimes it does not even work like that, but you can see we got a little bit unlucky so far. Price can still go up, so yeah, you can see how what I'm saying is absolutely doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense, but is irrelevant. Now let's see. Probably going to wait for the actual session open, which is in 15 minutes. Let it do what it wants. Let the price set up itself and see if we have a much more clear price action or whatever, just to take an advantage and take high probability trades rather than lucky ones. So this is London Open. Give me a second. So this is London Open, as I was saying, and the last minute already made a possible retest of these lows, of this last high, sorry, and we might see already a push up to these highs. I don't really want to just take the trade, but maybe the fact that I'm saying is actually that I should, but we might see, but might possibly be just lucky, just hoping that the price will go back. Also, I don't want to forget to check the hourly. So we actually bounced from an area that on the hourly is quite relevant, in the sense that we got this hourly close over there. So we might be thinking that this rejection is at an important hourly. And if that's the case, then this will validate further validate my idea of price possible continuing and even further up. But since it's the session open right now, I mean, we are now going to see the actual session open. I don't also want to risk, I want to let it go because maybe it's just going to retest and then continuing up. So I want to have the momentum and the actual timing on my side. Now, let's see. Next candle is 1 minute candle going up. Okay, no. So as I was saying, price might do exactly what I was saying, might do a retest to these previous lows, making a lower wick, and then a possible continuation up with this trade idea. Okay, or not even. That's why let the London session do its thing. Of course, if I enter over here, yes, would be even a winning trade, but that's not my style. For now, I don't take the actual retest support. I sort of prefer to take the continuation. So I let the market grab its liquidity, let me know when the liquidity is grabbed, when it's done, when the pullback is over, so then I can enter in continuation. So now we are creating a nice order block over here. On the bullish side, I don't see much. I have too much noise for me to take an entry, and also we have this very recent PSA. But on the lower side, on the bearish one, I can see that we are creating some support. So what does that mean for me? It means that if we break below in a convincing fashion, we can go and retest this hourly with the London session volume. But the thing is, okay, we have, look at on the left hand side. If this one was 10 pip, then it's not worth it. But if it's even 30 pips, so for me, just to see that the price gets rejected from here, I'm good enough, because I'm either at break even or already in a winning trade. So that's my trade idea, yes, and I have enough range to play it safe. If that, as I said, was a 10 pip range, that's not for me enough, because I don't want to risk that the price bounces from here and I'm not even at the break even. So let's see what the very next few candles are going to do. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are at the end of the hourly. Now we got liquidity at these highs. We had a break and retest, but if we didn't have this price action, then yes, this would have been a nice break and retest of the order block. This is exactly what this price action is exactly what we wanted on the bearish side. You see that even if we get a rejection at this PSA, it's still a winning trade for me, for my trade idea, my scalping style. If there wasn't this price point, if this was clear and black, like here, I would have taken it, but this is not, for me, is making too much noise. Now, do I want to risk this one? The volume is still in the chart. We're not in a very good momentum. This will be more of a high risk, same reward trade idea, because price can give me a fake out and continue up and down, because we are waiting for we're now getting later on into the London session, and we are waiting for the actual New York one. But let's see, especially the last 2 minutes of the hourly, what they're going to say. So you see the hourly opens over there. We can see that the new hour might make a top week anywhere. So if we want to risk, we can even risk it. We can also have a 15 pip, 45 pips, because we want, if we take advantage of this range, it's a more than 45. 15 pip gives me a little bit more room for the price to breathe before pushing back down. And yeah, we can take it. I mean, we had a nice profitable London session so far, so we can actually take advantage of it. No, this is too far. Too far. Okay, that's okay. It's retesting all these weeks. Might be a little bit too far away. Maybe I'm being a little bit greedy, but it's okay. Even if I miss this trade, it's fine. Yeah, you can see that it just straight pushed down without even looking back at me. So the trade idea was okay, but we never got a retest. Just going back, I want to see this 1 minute candle, how it was if we got a retest in the same 1 minute candle. No, never retested. This was sort of a sell stop trade, but for me, I didn't see it. I didn't have this intuition, so that's fine. That's fine. We can lose this. We can miss this trade. Now, one thing, yeah, I want to see this one. Okay, so you can see that this price action on the 20-tick chart is this. So it's we have this bearish candle. Sorry, let me do it that bearish candle, and then we have a bullish one, which is this top wick on this 1 minute candle. Let me zoom in. Okay, this top wick. So we have the first one is a bearish one. Then we have a bullish one, which is the top wick. And then we have a bearish one, which is the correction of the top wick and the correction down. So now, depending on where this candle closes, we can have a trade idea at the retest of this area. Now let's see if we actually can see a retest of this area. Okay, now we are printing another bullish one. Bam. Let's see. Okay, and then another bearish one, which is closing a little bit below. Okay, it's actually closing quite a lot below. So now let's see. The trade idea that I am sort of testing is this one. I'm testing that the fact that now if we retest this area, we can continue down. So now I will place a sell limit over here, which is about 7 pips. And I want to see if it's getting triggered. And yeah, in this case, I want it to be 10 pips, 30 pips. Let's see if it gets triggered. No, just melts, so that's okay. But this is a good thing because we can also I don't have the CTrader open, but we can check it, of course. And yeah, that's also a good thing to check. Now for us, of course, the trade idea will be I want to see a stronger break below this area. Now the trade idea is absolutely this one. Pam pam, a little bit thinner. Let's see now if we have a convincingly break below, because this is an hourly PSA, but the momentum, the volume is quite strong. We are seeing very, very nice price action. We are seeing that price is making convincingly new lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, so that's okay. Let's see below these lows what is going to happen. Okay, this 1 minute is closing. I will place a sell limit over there. It's very far away now because it's 24 pips. This is another situation of like, what's the word? Of sell stop, because this bond, I mean, this is our 80 pips now. But of course, if it's getting closer, yeah. Okay, our sell limit, let's place it at 17 pip. Okay, a little bit less. Okay, let's place it there. With this volatility, it might be a little too thin at 10 pip stop loss. Let's see if it's going to retrace or not. Now we add some price action. You saw it here. Pam pam pam. So we might also have a possible trade idea below these lows. Let's see. Okay. This is creating an order block on the 20 tick chart. So if we break below, we might also take now this trade idea, which is around 11 pips. Yeah, we can have it over there. Yeah, but now it's basically 45 pips far away. Let's see. Let's see the further price action. Okay, looks like that we might have to take the break below these lows. If that's the case, I don't know if now I should place another sell stop. Okay, for now it's possibly pulling back. I don't know if now I trust my sell limit over there, especially after this price action. Now I don't see it as such a relevant PSA, the one. Maybe I can expect more from this pullback, especially if we consider that the price is, yeah, around 50% will be over there, will be at least in the middle of basically on the hourly. So let's have a look at the very next few 1 minute candle. Okay, so exactly, bam, bam, bam. Wow, yeah, it would have been absolutely perfect. That's good. And yeah, because on the 20 tick chart, this was actually, we saw it, a strong order block. And yeah, having got 15 pips actually saved us, and we also got more profits. Now we can further invest. If we see price continuing down, we can further invest into another sell limit over there. That doesn't get triggered by a little bit. Let's see if it gets triggered. Okay. Yeah, doesn't get triggered. Let me trigger it. Bam, sell. And auto break even at 25. And let's continue. Let's see if it's going down. Keeps pushing down. Also, you see this retest that just did. Let's just go back. Look at this retest of this. Is going like giving a kiss. Poof, poof. This you can also have a second sell. Bam, and then going down. Bam. Boom, boom. So the first one was a win over here, 50, 60 pips. The second one was going to, yeah, we're running at 37 pips and then pushing back up. I don't know if we are on an hourly PSA. Yeah, we're reaching an hourly PSA. This one, I mean, it's a second entry. I wouldn't even take it. So it's okay if it goes to break even. I don't care. Yeah, also, yeah, I was saying, look a possible further rejection of this area. And that's what it did. Very nice. Now we can see this trade idea still going at it. We might see a pim, or we might see a need to see a further, some further candles doing that. Okay. Yeah, you can see that when the price is doing this rejection, that's where I want to enter also. If I want to enter manually, I see this, and then I see, okay, pushing up. When it's flipping, now, bam, I can get another entry. Because I am so many profits of this morning, so I can either just don't care, or I can, okay, let me leverage my profits. And let's see if we continue pushing down. Yeah, or we take a loss. It's absolutely fine. That's okay. We take our loss. Now we might be continuing down. Now I don't want to just take trades. This entry, it's interesting because it's this candle, because it is retesting this area over here. Look, puff, pushing up, and then the same thing, closing below also this lower wick. But it's actually closing at the lower wick, so we might have a rejection. Boom, instead it keeps pushing down. This time, probably pushing down again below these lows. Yeah, as you can see, price keeps pushing down. Here, I think we didn't have any retest. Yeah, just a very, very small one. Yeah, I don't think I would have considered that as enough, but yeah, maybe. Pa-pa-pum. Now below these lows. Okay, yeah, this is also situation of now having that user was good, having a sell stop. Right below these lows, over there. Bam. Auto break even at 25. Pam pam. Okay. Now where are we looking for any buy? Maybe if we break above these highs. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's just go straight to the New York session. Okay. So now where are we on the hourly? Now let's save the simulation. Okay, where are we on the hourly? We broke below. Now we are in the middle of this range. We bounced from this hourly PSA. We also got a strong rejection at the last pre-hourly candle. And so now we can, I don't think we're going to wait for anything, but let's just check the price action. Now we are in between anything. We don't have anything to update as per hourly PSA. Okay, I can delete these. Yeah, as you can see, we are in the middle of this one. Now, as per the 1 minute, we have these highs and these lows. So let's have a look at it. So we have some intermediate one over here. Let's see, especially the 1 minute, this New York session open, how it goes. And we have still 2 hours before the actual JOLTS opening. Even here we have these, but yeah, it's a very fast retest. Yeah, I mean, we are talking about big, huge ranges. So let's see. We push down. This is the New York session open. We close below. We want to take the retest of this area. Let's see. Okay, when we are there, we place a sell limit. Okay, we actually got activated. Nice. Okay, 35 pips. The thing is that this TP is actually hoping that it will break below. So we might, if we want to be conservative, we can just see if we get the retest and then we bounce, it's still okay, we're still in profits. Yeah, we got the profit. Or we can have hoping that it's going to push. That's up to us. And let's see. Okay, now we have a strong confirmation. So remember, this is a strong bearish candle and then a strong bullish one. So we have a new PSA over there. Also, we have this PSA. That's where on the 1 minute we can see the possible continuation down. So let's just place another sell stop a little bit further away. Over there, around 10 pips. Yeah. And let's see if we're going to get the retest. Yeah, actually got missed, I think, the retest. Yeah. Okay, we actually got missed and then it's pushing up straight away. It's okay, we take our loss. Let's see now the continuation. Now you can see that also it's very clear. As I was saying that we had this PSA. Now this is very clear. Also on the 1 minute. I don't think I will not really trust this. But it's something that can happen. And I don't know, maybe just like a 1% just to take it. Okay. Of course, we are still very far away. Okay, let's see. Okay. So we got activated. Let's see if now it pushes down. We said that 25 pips. And let's see if it's going to continue down. Okay, yeah, very nice. Yeah, I don't like this because it looks like that it's going to push up. Yes. So we got a break even. Very good entry. Got unlucky that we only got like 37 pips. I don't know if over here on a 20-tick chart this might be this type of price action. we pushed up. So we actually, so this is the retest area. Bam, bam. So we took our retest over here, but since this retest was coming from this PSA, maybe it's okay to take this range and not hoping for the price to break below. So let's see, that's okay. And yeah, we actually got unlucky because we got triggered. And in this is the case where the stop loss at break even will actually make us lose profits. Anyway, let's see if we're going to break below. We are, what time is it? Okay, yeah, we're also coming into the, okay, we're also coming into the New York Stock Exchange opening. Pushing down. Of course, sell limit over there is mandatory. Yeah, you can also have it a little bit further away. Let's see if we're going to keep pushing. If we're going to retest. Now, I don't like it to this retest. It's more becoming an intraday pullback area. But yeah, in 5 minutes, we have the New York Stock Exchange opening. So that's what we might see such a retest on with this volume of volatility during these days. Okay, so let's see, what do we see? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, this is New York Stock Exchange open. You see that on this range, this is basically doesn't mean at all, doesn't mean anything. So I would prefer to place like a 20, in this case even a 30, 90 sell limit. Because I want to give it enough room to breathe. And it's still 1%, so as you can see that the size is very small. So we will lose exactly the same. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting closer to the actual news. So let's close these, delete the thingies, and go back to our original trade idea. Now, we are 5 minutes before the news. We might have this price action. If we were not looking at any news and the report, we might be looking at this price idea. Okay. Now we have the news, which is in 1 hour. Yeah, because it's wow, it's in 1 hour because it's 2. Okay, I thought it was okay, because it was not, see. Okay, yeah, you see that I'm dumb. This was just the 4-hour close, was not the 10 AM. This was not New York Stock Exchange opening. So you see that I was wrong. It's still 1 hour before the news. So yeah, that's what we might take this trade idea. Yeah, especially at the retest over there, at the retest of these. Okay, gets activated, 20 pips, 25 pips. And let's see if how far it pushes down. Okay, we are at break even. Okay, we got stopped out at break even. We might go down. Let's see if we, do I want to give it another chance? No, better to not to just let it go. Yeah, damn it. Why I don't trust my intuition? You see that? Why did I say that? Because we have this movement is saying that we are rejecting this area. So that's where I wanted to take an entry. And yeah, it was also actually the candle close, but yeah, we got lucky here. And 25 pips. Okay, we got stopped out at break even. Nice. That's okay. That's the karma. That's because that's okay. That's what it is. And we are seeing continuation down. Yeah, strong 1 hour. I would have placed anywhere, but probably 1 minute. The sell stop would have worked fine. Now here, let's see. We have a brief retest, then we push down. I want to see this candle. Bam. Okay, we are retesting it. So you see that we have this PSA for sure. That's leaving a trace on the chart, so we can possibly take this. Okay. So if we want to take a sell limit over there, I mean, we're already very far away. Yeah, like that. I don't think it's going to be retested. Okay. It actually is. Right, nice. That's good. Okay, awesome. That's awesome. Very good. Now we are leaving another here on hourly. We have some noise. I don't know if that's on the hourly or based on what. Yes. But yeah, let's see. And for the continuation. For the retest. Now let's see. We're coming, yeah, still 15 minutes before New York Stock Exchange open. And lots of volume. For the bullish side, we want to take a buy at this bounce. Wow, let's see if it continues. Okay, looking promising. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now we are getting this rejection at these highs. I'm not really taking take the sell here, but if we break above, then I will take a buy. Yeah, but that was a very nice sell. Okay. Coming into New York Stock Exchange open now. Wow, a lot of volatility. Let's see where the price is going to go. 7 minutes before the news. Okay, so now we have the news gets released and it's better than expected but worse than previous. Oh, and tomorrow we have the NFP, the CPI. So now let's see the reaction and let's see what how the market interpret it. Wow, no reaction at all. Wow, nice. Because of course we are waiting for we have the war news that are more relevant. And I think that for today it's good. And let's have a look at the CPI of tomorrow. Let me just see how long have I been recording. 43 minutes. So yeah, we can have a quick look at the actual pre-London of today. But we're going to have a look at the CPI in another video. So let's have a look. Pushing down, we have this hourly that is being respected. Very nice. This one was very good, was still quite true. Okay, so let's have a look at the pre-London of the day with the CPI. So essentially I would expect lower volume today if during these hours because I expect that most of the traders are waiting for the CPI, which is coming up in 5 hours and a half. So our trade ideas will be above these highs for the possible continuation, because you can see how in the last few hours we are seeing a bullish trend after bouncing from this hour PSA. Otherwise, we are going to see if the price creates some sort of anything, we're going to adapt. Now we have this PSA, we have a possible very fast trade idea over here below these lows. You can see that we have a break below. Okay, very strong. And then we are leaving a lower wick. This lower wick now is going to be a bullish candle. This could be our retest. We can have already, if we want to start the day off with fire, have a sell limit, not that a little bit farther away. Yeah, over there. And see, because there's a lot of volume in the market. We are seeing, even if it's pre-London, we are seeing a lot of volume. And so let's see if it gets retested. Okay, let's see if it's going to lose. Okay, let's place 25 pips. Let's see if, how it's going to continue. Okay, yeah, we took our shot and we failed to stay in the bearish momentum. Now let's see. Probably okay. This might be a second chance. We are reacting at these lows, but yeah, I just want to wait for London Open, which is now. So now this was the moment before the London Open. We have this 1 minute candle. We are bouncing from an hourly PSA, so that might be risky, especially if the thing is that, let's see from where it started so I can have it on the hourly as well. Sorry about that. Why can I? Why is this on both sides? Anyway, okay. Okay, I can do that. No. Anyway. Yeah, because that's not on the hourly. Anyway, let's see. We might see this. Bam, bam. So that will be how far away? 17 pips. There. Okay, got triggered. And it just pushed up. So better possibly to wait. Okay, do we have this other counter sort of different trend trade idea? We have this possible break above for the possible continuation up. No, would be a loss even over on this side. So let's just see if we have further price action down and up. Now we could have a possibly this thing, but after already taking 2 losses today, 1 and 2, is I would be more cautious about it. But yeah, this could be this one. Bum, bum. So let me take my last shot. Buy limit over there. No, here I want to leave this because we're testing this top week and then possible continuation down, up. Okay, but it keeps pushing up. No, keeps pushing down. So wow. So actually, from our entry went up, yeah, around 20 pips, and then it will go further up. But yeah, not the timing was not okay. Where did it go? Okay, disappeared. Maybe I can, no, okay. Anyway, let's wait for the actual CPI. Let's go direct it to that time. Bam. Okay. Wow, this was nice. Further continuation down. I can see this PSA. This one was very good. Breaking above, retesting, and then pushing up. But that would have been later on. And yeah, at 10, yeah, the 3rd hour. So wow, lot of good price action. That's also what I was saying, that I missed a lot of entries because of that I just go, why shouldn't have any good trade idea? For example, yeah, as you can see, price is breaking above. Why should there be pam pam? Okay, but also no, we didn't get this retest. Now wanted the break above. Pa, 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 pa. This is also a situation. Look at this. This is a situation of where I will place, and let's do it because maybe it's not profitable, a buy stop. So now this is a situation of a buy stop, even over there. Okay, with the auto break even 35 pips. I don't know if that was already, maybe it was already reached. I don't know. That's why I'm coming back. Okay, not yet. And then push up. Yes. And then same thing. We have this, or we also have this possible retest. We have this PSA or this one. What do we want to see it retested? Yeah. Let me have a buy. 25. Good. Let's see. Yeah, this could be a possible buy stop right above that. If you want to see a continuation, that's a good point for the buy stop. Yeah, you can see that now price is not doing that the thing, so we never got activated, and that's okay. I don't think we are retesting this area before and pushing up, but it might be. And what time is it? Yeah, we're coming into the actual New York Open. It actually did. Wow. And yeah, we are 20 minutes before the New York Open. Do you want to take a buy stop just for the sake of it? Buy stop. Let's see. Pum, pum, pum. And we got stopped out. Okay, so let's wait for the New York Open. Is it now? And we have the NFP, where the CPI in 5, 3, 2, 1, 1 minute. So now, of course, the first candle is like that. What was the CPI? Is increased from previous one, but is exactly as expected. So unemployment claims are worse. So what I'm really expecting is that if it has increased as expected, we might have a mixed thing, but I'm more looking towards a bearish gold because of the increase. So it's rates are going to be needed higher for longer due to this high CPI. So there's no chance we're going to anticipate rate cuts or even slowing down with our path. So what I'm looking for is actually sells below these lows. Okay, well, there's not much of a reaction, especially because I don't know if probably the narrative is more towards the war or whatever. Now we're getting some strong reaction. Let's see. Yeah, we didn't get any retest. Now we are leaving this lower week. Exactly these lows, which is good. Okay. This retest is, for me, it's very tempting for further sells. It's 5 minutes before the New York socket, before the new 4-hour candle. What do I want to do? I want to take a sell. Here when it flips. That's a very tough one, huh? Okay, looking good. Okay. Are you pushing down? Yes. Are you pushing down? I know that we are pushing down, and I'm even placing the TP over there. I know it. Come on. Damn it. Anyway, we didn't lose anything. Was just a break-even trade. Nice retest of this area multiple times that I missed. Let's see if we have anything above these eyes. So if I was here and I wanted to take a buy limit, I would be further away. Sorry, further away. Okay. Okay, pushing up. I want you to be able to even at 25 if you ever reach that. Nope, okay, that would be a loss. Wow, okay. Now, let's see. Below these lows, what? We have this area. So this could be already be the retest because you see this is actually a bearish candle followed by a bullish one and started at this area of retest. So the retest might already be done. Yeah, 20 pip up. Okay, close. Do we have, yeah, okay, do we have this retest? So let's be completely honest. So we see this one and we place a sell limit over there. Yeah, anyway, we lose, so that's okay. Then we go down. Now we have this area. So we see it pushing down. And this is our retest. Nice. Now this is the thing because we got. I'm hoping that price will keep going down, and yeah, you see, instead of having having it retrace all the way back down, I could just take it over here. Bam. Okay. No, if I take it over there because as where I said. Okay. Then I see this. I see that is pulling back. This is the same level. Okay. And now where do I want to take the trade? I want it to. Where is my new trade idea? Is below these lows, right? So let's see about the candle. Okay. Also, we are leaving another level over there. Let's get retested. You can see, got retested, and now it pushes down. Yeah. Retest that area, push up. Okay, are we retesting the hourly to then continue down? So far, no. New York Stock Exchange opening now, and let's see where he wants to push. Boom, and down. Retest and continuation down. Nope. Okay, lovely. Now, what I could take is a retest in order to continue up. Yeah, it doesn't happen. Okay, that's it for today. I think we did good enough. Okay, was a nice run, and we went. Basically, yeah, it's a very good profit as well. but it's more about the confidence than the actual profits. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you because today I'm going to do another video, and we'll see you in the next one. See you.